crab meat salad with breaded butter chips, bacon, and extra cheese. We'll go ahead and get that started now. On the cutting board, I have already taken out some of the breaded butter chips and some of the crab meat. And then what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and just chop them up finely to prepare for the salad. So as I begin to just chop, you just take the knife and just chop it up this way, just like this. Just make it nice and choppy here so you can see. As fine as you like, you know, I just make it so it isn't as thick. So you want to be able to chop it up finely so that you can have, you know, some on your crackers or whatever you want to eat in your salad. So I just like to chop it up kind of finely here so you can see. Just to put in a bowl with the salad mix and everything. Then, once I finish chopping that up, then I just go ahead. Let's get another knife real quickly. And then I just go ahead and chop up my breaded butter chips. I like to chop these up real fine because they're going to go into the salad. Normally what you can do too is you can just buy some sweet relish. But since I already had this in my refrigerator and it's more cost effective, it's the same pickles. I just chop them up real finely here. So you'll see what I'm doing. All right, so that's chopped up real fine, just like I like it. All right. I have placed all of the chopped up crab meat, imitation crab meat, into a bowl along with the bread and butter chips. Next, what you want to do is put in a 1/3 cup of cheese. Just pour it into the mixture. And I have a 1/3 cup of whip that I'm just going to put in here to your taste. So dump it in there like that, as you can see. You may not need it all. You just put it in there. And then you take your bacon bits, what you like, some bacon bits, some real bacon bits, and just pour it in there. You don't have to pour a lot, but pour to taste. You see, I just pour a little bit of bacon bits in there. And now I'm going to stir. Just stir it all up just like this here. And you can see how it all comes together. It looks real good. Just stir it up to your taste. And if you want to add some more Miracle Whip, add some more Miracle Whip or mayonnaise, whatever you like. Hellman's, Duke's. I like Miracle Whip. And then add your pepper. You can add your garlic powder. Then you can add some onion powder. Do one more quick stir. Sorry, I think my hand was over that. And see how that looks. Looks good. It's a quick little meal, quick little snack that you can use. See how that looks? Looks delicious, doesn't it? Then you just take your plate and put some of the actual imitation crab over a bed of lettuce with some crackers. And you'll have your great little meal that's inexpensive. There you go. See how that looks? Doesn't that look beautiful? Your imitation crab meat with bread and butter chips with bacon bits and some extra sharp cheese or whatever cheese you like. Thank you for viewing this quick, simple meal. Please click on like and please subscribe. Thank you.